Coming up next on the front desk, Four Seasons New York set to reopen. AI-powered tablet making its debut. Important investment moves in the hospitality industry. APA acquires Hilton Seattle, and Marriott Bonvoy partners up to donate $500,000 to Jose Andres World Central Kitchen. These stories and more on Hotel Staff TV. Hello everyone and welcome to the Front Desk show on HotelStaff.tv, your go-to weekly broadcast for the newest updates, insights, and trends in the hospitality industry, both in the United States and globally. I'm Jim DiNardo, your host, and the head of HotelStaff.com, the leading provider of hospitality staffing solutions in the nation. Let's get to the hottest happenings in hospitality. Big news. The Four Seasons Hotel in New York is set to reopen this September after being closed for over 4 years. The reopening follows an agreement between Time Warner Hotels and Resorts and the Four Seasons on construction costs and management fees. These two groups had been in dispute since the pandemic closure, with Time Warner proposing fees tied to the hotel's profitability. The resolution included converting some rooms into apartments for new full-time residents. This announcement comes alongside plans to reopen the Four Seasons Resort in the Biltmore, Santa Barbara in spring 2025. For 3 decades, these iconic properties have welcomed travelers and locals. We're excited to reopen and continue our tradition of excellence, said the Four Seasons. Stay tuned for more details as these celebrated properties undergo enhancements and prepare to welcome guests once again. AI returns to our headlines once again as a revolutionary device enters into hospitality. Exciting updates from high-tech. Hotel Communication Network, HCN, is set to unveil AI Me, a groundbreaking AI-powered in-room tablet. June 25th at the Charlotte Convention Center, AI Me will revolutionize how hotel guests request services, order food, and more using voice commands in multiple languages. This AI Concierge uses natural language processing to understand and respond to guest requests, making service interactions seamless. The tablet connects directly to the hotel's service system, ensuring quick and efficient service without needing to go through the front desk. Neil Schubert, HCN's product officer, highlighted that AI Me is designed to overcome the shortcomings of existing solutions. It streamlines communication, personalizes guest experiences, and can even manage room controls and updates. But that's just the beginning of what's happening in hospitality. The investment market is experiencing some exciting shifts too. Here are some important updates for the hotel investment market in 2024. A recent survey by CBRE Hotels reveals that U.S. investors are feeling optimistic, with half planning to boost their hotel investments this year, anticipating higher returns and lower prices. Strengthening balance sheets and dealing with debt are top challenges for those investing less. Popular investment locations include central business districts and resorts with upper upscale and upscale upper mid-scale chain scales being top targets. RevPAR growth of 3.1% is expected for urban locations due to increased group, business, and international travel. Resorts are projected to see 1.6% RevPAR growth, driven by steady leisure demand. However, investors are concerned about rising borrowing costs, labor expenses, and insurance costs, which could impact margins. Major markets like New York, Washington, D.C., Miami, Charleston, and Austin are expected to lead the market, with New York City being the most attractive due to limited new supply and short-term rental restrictions. Up next, a major brand makes landfall in Seattle. The hotel landscape may be changing in the U.S. as APA Hotels have made a major entrance into the market. They've just acquired the Hilton Seattle, Washington through their subsidiary APA Hotel USA. The financial details haven't been disclosed, but the property will be rebranded immediately as Coast Seattle Downtown Hotel by APA. This full-service hotel boasts 256 guest rooms, including executive rooms catering to leisure, business, group, and international travelers. It also features amenities like Red Trees Restaurant and Bar, 6,000 square foot of flexible function space, and a fitness center. The hotel will undergo a lobby refresh and updates to meet Coast Hotel standards, expected to be completed by 2025. Group CEO Ishi Moyoda expressed excitement about this acquisition, marking APA Hotel's first major step into the U.S. hospitality market. He emphasized their commitment to providing high-quality service and contributing to the downtown Seattle's business community growth. APA's Hotel International expansion began in 2015, and their portfolio now includes over 40 properties. Finally on our program, a major initiative launches to feed people in need. Marriott Bonvoy and the J. Willard and Alice J. Marriott Foundation are teaming up to donate $500,000 to World Central Kitchen, WCK, the nonprofit founded by Chef Jose Andres. This generous donation will enhance WCK's ability to provide meals during natural disasters and crises worldwide. Anthony Capuano, CEO of Marriott International, announced the donation during Chef Andres' Longer Tables podcast at the Cannes Lions Festival. They discussed shared passions including family, travel, and giving back. In June, Marriott Bonvoy is also matching all point donations to its philanthropic partners, including WCK, up to 25 million points. Capuano praised WCK's efforts. Jose and World Central Kitchen always step up in times of needs, providing critical relief and hope through nutritious meals. Maika Wick, CEO of the Marriott Foundation, added, "Food plays a vital role in rebuilding communities. We're honored to support WCK's extraordinary work." Chef Jose Andres expressed gratitude for the ongoing partnership with Marriott and the generous support from Marriott Bonvoy and its members. That wraps up this episode of the Front Desk Show on hotelstaff.tv. To stay updated on important news that could impact you, subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn for the latest updates, stories, and more. I'm Jim DiNardo, and I'll see you next week.